Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll talk about Velas. In previous video we'll talk about Winex. You like that video so much, I get a great response on that video, so I have created another video about another project which is Velas. Okay, so this is like a blockchain of its own blockchain. Okay, if you compare with like Ethereum, it's like same as Ethereum. Okay, but not as an Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum blockchain, it has its own blockchain, Velas blockchain. So what this do is like you can create coins on this blockchain. You can do crowdfunding on this platform. Okay, like you do crowdfunding on Ethereum platform, you can do crowdfunding on this platform also. Okay, the transaction speed is really good, around 30,000 transaction per second, which is a really good speed, and which is really good at this stage. Okay, the token they support is VLX, their own VLX token, their own project token. Okay, which is really good. Okay, so we'll talk about how you can earn around 2x to 3x if you invest in this quarter right now. Okay, and I have a solid proof how you can earn around 2x to 3x if you go through the roadmap, if you see the last events they have, and based on that we can tell that it can go to 2x 3x easily. Okay, so we'll talk about this stage 1. Okay, pre-alpha was launched, token swap was launched on July 4th, and then it goes to private sale. Block Explorer desktop and wallets were introduced on September 2019. Then public nodes for software was introduced on September 2019, and then on quarter 4, okay, 2019, they had listed on their exchanges. Okay, so they are not listed on like a very dull exchanges, they have listed on really good exchanges like Probit, BW exchange. So it was really good exchanges they launched, and right now the price is around 0.4 0.04222. Okay, triple two, so it's a like really good price right now. So we will talk about how you can get 2x based on the chart we discuss the past of this project. Okay, so it was listed on 0.026 0.026 was launched, and you can see it goes till 0.35. okay, like 40% profit, 40 to 50% profit in just one day of listing. Okay, so it was a really good comeback from the project, which is like on exchange listing it has like really good amount of price boost on that time. Okay, and then after quarter 1, the research of AI has been introduced and it was successfully done. Okay, so we'll see that on this date, 6th of May. Okay, 6th of May, so it launched, and you can see how much it goes from 0.37 to 0.425. okay, so it was really good. After you can see that the research of AI was completed, the price of the token was really increased to 20 to 30%, so it gives a good amount of return at this time period also. So now they will launch a mobile wallet in quarter 2020, quarter 2 2020. So I don't think that there will be a price movement in this phase. Okay, the and then they will introduce new wallet features. Okay, like decentralized cloud multi signature capability in quarter 2 2020. Okay, so this will be done in just one quarter also. They will they will list on new exchange also. And then here is the stage, okay, where the price movement can go really high, around 0.05 to 0.06, because the stage 2 of alpha AI development will be done in quarter 3. okay, so the eyes should be over here, the quarter 3. If this will successfully done, okay, then I think the price will shoot up towards 2x to 3x easily. Okay, easily, because seeing on the past, the project works really good, the team is really good. I think that the project has the capability of rising toward coins to $0.1 also. Okay, so this is a perfect time right now to buy, because if you see that ahead is a really after this quarter 3 alpha stage 2 alpha AI development, there is really big updates coming which will boost the price of the token really easily. Okay, Then there will be launch of Mind.ai mainnet on Velas. Okay, then container system will be launched, and then there will be a stage 3. Okay, so there will be another boost towards the token price on this stage 3 also. Then they will introduce hardware wallet on quarter 4. Okay, and then in December 2020 the production will be like the Velas project will be fully decentralized. Okay, this is a decentralized platform, by the way, and it will fully decentralized. Okay, and then in quarter 2021, okay, like January, February, March on 2021, it will be fully functional system. Okay, so I think in that time the price of VLX will be around 1 to 0.1 to 0.2 dollar easily. Okay, because the team has a really good experience of working. They are working really hard, and I think it shows over here. Okay, I think on stage 2 it will cross around 0.06 dollars also. Okay, so I will be buying right now some coins on this time. Okay, because the recently it was on 0.03 dollars. I was watching the price. Okay, so it was like 10 days before it was 0.038 to 39, and now it is like 0.42717. Okay, it's like 20% of profit if I buy it really early. Okay, so I will be buying at this stage. Okay, so if you want to buy and want a good profit till January, around 2x to 3x of your money, you can. Okay, so you can invest in this project. Okay, you can see that they have a really good media coverage also on Medium, Bitcoin.com, Crypto News also, and there are many more. Okay, then I will talk about the utility tokens. The Velas is their VLX is the utility token, and which is listed on BW, EXMO exchange, ZPG exchange, EXX exchange, and Probit exchange. Okay, so listed on really big exchanges, which is really nice. Okay, in the next video, okay, this is the part 1 of the video. In the next video we'll talk about note takers, how to create a desktop wallet, how to create a web wallet. Okay, desktop wallet and web wallet are both same. Okay, and we'll discuss about other main features about the project. So in this video we will wrap up this, and we will continue in the part 2. Okay, so if you like the video, please do subscribe and like to the video, and we will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.